Alright, so guys, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 will be revealed on August 5 at the Galaxy Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Note 20 liner. But now a hands-on video has been leaked to show the watch has a physical rotating bezel, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch. Of course, there will be two variants of the Galaxy Watch 3, a 41mm and a 45mm variant, and the one we have right now is the smaller variant. Anyway, it has two physical buttons on the right side similar to earlier Galaxy smartwatches, but there is a change in their shapes. Well, the screen size is 1.2 inch, the bigger one has a screen size of 1.4 inch. Both variants will be IP68 rated and will come with 1GB of RAM and 8GB of onboard storage. The back of the smartwatch reveals its 41mm size and confirms specs like 5 atm water resistance. This means that the watch is water resistant up to 50 meters in depth for 10 minutes. Other features include a blood pressure sensor, a heart rate sensor, ECG measurement, Wi-Fi connectivity and more. Samsung will let you customize the watch faces on the Watch 3 just like they do on all of their smartwatches. Samsung Mobile's CEO confirmed that they will launch as many as 5 devices at the Unpacked event. Those are the Galaxy Watch 3, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Galaxy Buds Live, the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus, and of course the main event, the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Of course, the event will be held virtually to practice social distancing norms amid the pandemic. In any case, we will hear quite a lot about the Galaxy Watch 3 in the coming days. So be sure to subscribe to keep up with all the updates and let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.